Alright, what's up guys? So I'm very excited today because we have some things that we will be unboxing. I think these were all purchased from Lazada. So we will be unboxing things today. So let's go ahead and start the video. Okay, so first item. So the first item that we will be unboxing is this. So this is a light stand. And I purchased this because I also purchased a light that we will be unboxing later. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, just a heads up, all the things that we will be unboxing now were already unboxed yesterday because I was very excited when they all arrived on the same day. But I repacked them so that I can give you idea on how it looks like in the package. Yesterday they arrived in good packaging, so very well packed. They were all inside a bubble wrap, so very well packed. So good job when it comes to that. So I purchased this from One Gadget from Lazada. I'll put the links in the description below just in case you wanna purchase one. And also they were, I think I received them in just in just 7 days. So di masyadong matagal when it comes to the shipping time. So that's another thumbs up. This is the light stand. This is just a generic light stand. Well, the build quality, out of metal. So I think this is, it looks really sturdy. The plastics here are high quality plastics. They also have a metal thread right here, so that's a good addition. Even if the outer material is just plastic, they also inserted a metal thread right here. And you can extend this, I think, up to 7 feet if I'm not mistaken. So very good. And another thing is this also has like a shock absorber here at the bottom part. It's like there's a spring inside, so just in case you forgot to tighten the knob right here, your light will not your light will be cushioned by the spring inside, so it will not take a hard hit from the impact. So very good job. Okay, so this is our next items in line. Let's start with, so this is the Softbox. So the Softbox includes a 2-layer of diffusion sheet. I purchased this separately, but this is a honeycomb grid for the Softbox. So this is for a 90 centimeter softbox. And this is the softbox. Alright, so this is the Godox QRP90. So I've heard a lot of good reviews about this, so this is what I purchased. This is a parabolic softbox, which means it's a little bit deeper compared to the other ones. Build quality, built out of metal, hard metal right here. Alright, this is aluminum. And this softbox also has a quick release feature, which is very good because it only takes probably 10 seconds to set this up. It has some Velcro ties, a reflector inside, and this also comes with a Bowens mount. So if you have other accessories that has Bowens mount, it will be compatible to this softbox. I love the black and orange trim, so very cool. So again, I purchased this from One Gadget. This is for the light that we will be unboxing later on. And build quality, I love it. I think it's really well built. The only gripe that I have here is it doesn't come with a honeycomb grid, but I guess that's fine. So what you get in the package is the softbox itself, the 2 diffusion sheet, and I think that's about it. So I got this for around 4,000 pesos. Again, you can purchase this in Lazada. I'll put the links down below. Let's go ahead and set this up now so that you can see how it looks like. Alright guys, welcome back. So this is the softbox now. So this is how it looks like. Again, this is a 90mm softbox from Godox. So again, when it comes to the installation, it was very quick. It took me like 10 to 15 seconds because I'm only doing this myself. But it's very, very quick thanks to this quick release option. Alright, so now we're done with this. Let's go ahead and unbox the next package. Okay, now we are back with this next package. So this is the main event of this unboxing. This is the Godox SL-100BI. So again, if you look at the package, very well packed, good box. This came with a bubble wrap, so it's very safe when it was shipped. Godox SL-100, nothing fancy, just good box, no damage. And if you look at the box, you'll see that this one has effects, color adjustable light. You can control it via the Godox app, and it can be adjusted from 0 to 100%. Now let's go ahead and unbox this. Again, these were already unboxed. I'm just unboxing it again so that I can show you how it looks like. So you will be greeted by the manual. Nothing fancy there. Now let's remove the styrofoam. Originally, this came inside a plastic bag. Now let's see what's inside. You'll get this reflector. Very, very high quality reflector, built out of metal with a Bowens mount. Very, very good build quality. So this is something that you also see inside a flashlight. And underneath, sorry about that. And you also get this long cable. This is about, I think, 3 to 5 meters. I'll put it on the screen. And last but not least, the light, Godox SL-100BI. Okay, so first thing I noticed is its weight. It's not that light, but it's also not that heavy. But if you feel it, you get the feel that it's really built with high quality materials, built from metal and plastic. But this is a high quality plastic. So right here you get the Godox logo and the model. So this is L100BI, and same goes to the other side. You also get this light hood. You can also use this if you want to direct the light precisely to an area. Let's remove this. Just need to press this and then turn. Okay, so this type of light is called a COB, or a cob light. It means chip on board. There you see the LED chips. It also had a very, very high quality heat sink to help dissipate the heat. And I love this handle right here. Very, very durable. So you can carry it through or using this handle. Now you also get this Now you also get this locking mechanism right here. This is for the tilt of your light. And this one right here will be inserted to your light stand. So we'll insert this one to the light stand that we unboxed earlier. An additional feature right here is this hole. Let's say you don't have a softbox, you can use a white umbrella as an alternative, and you can put the umbrella post right here. You can insert it here. So you can use an umbrella as a softbox. Very, very, very nice. So some ventilation right here. Now let's go and check out the back. So this is where all the magic happens. So right here you have the effects knob, so you can change it to different effects. Here is your dim knob. You can put it to 0 to 100. Very, very, very good. And this socket for your cable. So you also have a tiny screen right here. So this will give you information about the light, the color temperature, the percentage of the light, and the effects. Again, I purchased all of these from Lazada. The store was One Gadget. But disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. So let me just set this up real quick. So here it is, guys. This is the final setup. So I have the light here attached on the light stand that we set up earlier, and the light is angled around, I think, about 45 degrees. And I didn't attach the honeycomb grid, so this is just the diffusion sheets, so 2 layers. And from what I can see from my monitor right here, I think the light is super good. No more shadows or hard shadows on this side of my face. Earlier we were just using ceiling light, and now this is how it looks like with the key light. Again, this is the SL-100BI. Right now it's set up at around 5600 Kelvin. You'll be the judge. I will be putting a comparison from a shot earlier and the shot right now. So what do you think? For me, I think it's really worth it. I love the light. I love the quality of the light. I love the softness of the light. And hopefully you also see that in the quality of the video. So for me, if you ask me if I would buy this light again in the future, just in case I need another light, and I think I would say 100% yes. So I'm really satisfied with the purchase. Again, this was purchased in Lazada. Links will be down in the description. And I guess that's it for the video. And if you like what you are seeing, please, I would really appreciate if you press that like button. And feel free to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Again, this channel is all about reviewing gadgets, so if you're interested, this is the right place. So I guess I'll see you around, and thank you very much for watching. Peace.